Howdy, friends. Kevin Dacey from Texas here. I wanted to do a little review on a book I found. It's called, that's not what it is. There it is. It's called Cracking the Code, The Fascinating Truth About Taxation in America. It's by Pete Hendrickson. I found this book in 2018, and it literally changed my life. I had always had a sneaking suspicion that the federal income tax was a fraud. This book explained how it is and how it's used against us. This book is very, very detailed. It goes into the IRS code, how they apply it, how they use it against us to make us believe that we owe something that we don't. The book explains how the 16th Amendment granted no new powers of taxation to the government. That means if there was no federal income tax that applied to us as individuals before then, it doesn't apply to us now. This book will explain how it works. So I used the knowledge out of this book to file an educated return in 2019, and I received every cent of federal income tax I paid, including Social Security and Medicare. I received it back in full. I've also filed again for 2020, and I'm waiting on that refund to come back. I expect that it will be the same. I'll receive a full refund of all taxes paid. The tax code is intentionally confusing to make you believe you owe something that you don't. The definitions that they use are completely different than what you believe those words to mean, and the book explains it. It explains the word games that they play to confuse you. Taxes are out of control, and the government has no legal right to your money, none whatsoever. When you educate yourself, use this book, use the knowledge on Pete's website, losthorizons.com. To learn how to do it, you can take back your rights to your labor and your money and never pay them again. We can starve the beast that has grown out of control. The IRS is there to scare you, plain and simple, and to make you do something that you don't have to do. When you start filing educated returns, you're going to get some nasty letters. You're going to get nasty correspondence claiming that they're going to, you now owe them a penalty and a fine and whatever else, and you don't. This book and the website will teach you how to fight against all that, stand up for your rights, and take back what's rightfully yours, and hang on to what's rightfully yours. We never gave the federal government the right to dig into our wallets, our pocketbooks, our bank accounts, our paychecks. This is the first step in taking everything back. We have to stand up for our rights, for our liberty, and for our freedom. The federal government has proven that they lie to us every day, and they will strip us of our rights at the drop of a hat. So do yourself a favor. Go get this book, Cracking the Code, losthorizons.com, and take your rights back, take your freedom back, take your liberty back.